got through was that's when we noticed that we only had one tail fin. About that time, my wife.
Welcome to my favorite place on Route 66.
Welcome to Radiator Springs.
Radiator Springs.
Currently in line.
Just follow Mater into town to get ready. Mater!
Coming, Sheriff! Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun! Hey, you ever go tractor tipping? Indeed! Just sneak up on them and hump. Ready? Don't let Frank catch you. Honk!
We're all visitors on this planet.
Welcome to race day.
In Radiator Springs,
The champion needs speed.
and style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
For you, my friend, only the best. Pick up. Oh, what long time. Now you look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line.
It takes more than new tires to win a race.
I'm your new crew chief.
I'll tell you when to pitch it hard. Get it into the group. Don't pay attention. Do us proud.
Yes. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life. Uno for the money, due for the show. To make it ready and the quadro. Go!
Now listen. Your vehicle stops for these exit tubes. Remember, take all your personal belongings.
This right?